I just want to show you how badly Lisa snores. Come on, let's listen to Lisa snoring. Listen to this. This is what I got to go through. And she wonders why I sleep by myself. Listen to this. Right on, Lisa. Keep it going. What are you doing, Cassius? What the fuck was that, man? You hear that? Son of a bitch. Anyways, we'll go back and see what Lisa was. I heard a big bang outside, so I thought someone was robbing us or something. Anyways, we're gonna go back and see my little Lou. Yeah, my little Lulu. Yeah, my baby. My little pumpkin. That's pretty crazy, eh? Cassius, is she driving you nuts? Lisa, that is crazy. Crazy. It's okay, Cassius. She's okay. She's alright. My God, Lisa, that's crazy. You wonder why I sleep alone. Sometimes. Let's block the nose again. You are my only. You make me when skies are. You'll never know how much I. Please don't take sunshine away. Good girl. Good girl. I love you, baby. Bye. Bye. I love you. I love you. Mwah.